Alright, what's up guys? Happy Friday. This is Taylor, and I'm doing the free video for May 24th. It's about 12 o'clock in the afternoon, but I want to show you a few things here on the QQQ. The bigger picture and the short term. In the short term, things remain a bit overbought. We're about 3 average true range of moves above our 21 EMA. With that being said, I've got nothing here in the form of a sell signal. I've got buy signals on the weekly, the daily, the 4-hour, the 30-minute, 15-minute, and the 5-minute. With that being said, we might be technically overbought, but until we get a 30-minute or 1-hour sell signal, there might not be a bigger pullback just yet. Now, selfishly, I would love a pullback towards 450, maybe down to 445. Reason being, I want to find a spot to buy it based on the weekly squeeze. On my big 3 indicator, we have got a brand new squeeze, a brand new weekly buy signal, with bull trend, bull structure, bull momentum, the perfect score of 12. Therefore, we got ourselves an A+ setup. And I want to find a spot to buy it. Right now, we have a target around 472. When and if the squeeze fires, the target's probably going to be closer to about 475. And until that signal changes, I think that's going to be the path forward here for the QQQ. If I'm lucky enough to get a pullback towards 450-ish, 445, I would be a buyer. And then let's go look at Google here. Speaking of buying the dip, I'd love to buy a dip in Google. Bull trend, bull structure, bull momentum, daily buy signals, and a perfect score of 12. Down towards 170-ish, I think it'd be a great spot to buy some Google. And then also Microsoft. Brand new daily buy signal, perfect score of 12, trend, structure, momentum. And then on the 3-day and the weekly time frame, we got a couple of squeezes setting up. Now the 3-day squeeze here, it's not an A+ setup just yet. It's getting closer. We've got the squeeze. We have a respectable score of 10 out of 12. We have bull trend and bull structure. We don't quite have bull momentum just yet. If they can take that MACD line, pull that through 0, we'll get ourselves a 3-day buy signal, and then we'll have an A+ setup. At which point, there might be a path towards 450-ish. So as that 3-day squeeze develops, I'd like to buy it a little closer to our 21 EMA here on the daily. And then jumping to NVIDIA. Last time we spoke, I showed you the 3-day squeeze for the vid, and I gave you a target of $1,000. Here we are at 1040. Of course, earnings could have gone either which way. I'd like to think a good example of a 3-day squeeze, firing in the direction of the overall trend. A bull trend and bull structure, bull momentum, a score of 12, a buy signal. That became an A+ setup back here around $900. So far, that all works as advertised. For what it's worth, they haven't fired the 3-day squeeze just yet. That might imply there might be a bit more upside. As far as a good entry, it's a little bit extended, so even a pullback down towards $1,000, I think might offer a better entry. And aside from the big boys there, for Meta and Amazon, they're a bit more neutral. Meta has no buy signal, a big 3 score of 1, with neutral trend and structure and bear momentum. I'd much rather buy a Google or a Microsoft. And the same can be said for Amazon. Big 3 score of 3, no buy signal, very neutral. So, like Microsoft, You do have a 3-day squeeze here. As far as calling for direction from that 3-day squeeze, you want to take the clarity, take the trigger from your lower time frames. So for Microsoft, better looking 3-day squeeze and a much better looking daily chart. Microsoft, Google, QQQ are on my buy the dip watch list. And then one name we got a position in right now is T-Mobile. And T-Mobile is A+ on the weekly, the daily, the 4-hour, the 2-hour, and the 1-hour on the big three. It's a lot of A+ action. So we got the calls here for June expiration. And I'm looking for a move towards 167 to about $1.68. We've got a long weekend coming up. Tuesday morning, we'll see if they can get a push going here from that daily squeeze. But alright guys, couple charts for you, couple of setups. Have a great long weekend, and I'll talk to you soon. Adios.
What's up traders, this is Taylor from Simpler Trading. I wanted to thank you for watching our video, and if you liked the video, go on ahead and comment down below, hit that like button, and make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell icon to get a notification anytime we upload our next video. And of course, if you want to watch us trade live in real time with our own money, check us out at simplertrading.com. Until then, trade safe, and I'll catch you in the next video.